Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks receipts. First, open your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Transactions menu. Then, select Receipts to access the Receipt Management dashboard. This central hub allows you to view, upload, and process all your business receipts. We will cover several simple methods to ensure every expense is accurately recorded, saving you valuable time and effort. Capturing your receipts is incredibly straightforward. You can use the QuickBooks mobile app to take a quick photo of a paper receipt, and it will automatically upload. Alternatively, forward digital receipts from your email to a dedicated QuickBooks email address. For receipts already saved on your computer, simply drag and drop them into the Receipts section. These three easy methods ensure you never miss an expense. Once your receipts are uploaded, it's time to categorize and match them. QuickBooks will often suggest matches to existing bank transactions, saving you a lot of manual work. Simply review the suggestion and confirm. If there isn't a match, you can easily create a new expense transaction directly from the receipt, assigning it to the correct category. This ensures every dollar spent is accounted for. Utilizing QuickBooks for receipts offers significant benefits. You will improve the accuracy of your financial records, which is crucial for tax preparation and audits. Maintaining organized records becomes effortless, reducing stress and clutter. By automating much of the data entry, you save many hours each month, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Start using these simple methods today for better financial management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.